Today we are going to see some basic steps, basic requirements before you switch your site to the live mode. So we are going to see some basic configurations. Then we have to see the robot.txt stuff, currency management, tax zone management, promotions, website translation stuff, URL rewrites and searches, manage reviews, and then so these are basic requirements before you switch your site to the live mode. So first of all, let's start with the presentation, and let's see how to manage some basic requirements of the header part. Means how to change your logos, how to change welcome message, how to change the favicon icon, robots, and copyright message, as well as how you can insert the marketing script in your header part. So the first slide is about HTML header part, footer part, search engine robot, watermarks, and transactional emails. So if you can see my screen, this is the logo of the website. This is our test website, the demo website, and this is our logo. Here you can see the P icon. Here is D icon, D. So this is nothing but D icons are nothing but favicons, and this one is a big logo. This is a welcome message. Here in bottom you can see the copyright message. So how to manage these things? So I'm in backend, and here you can see my mouse. Content, under design we have configuration. So you will see this step. Now you are seeing multiple lines over here, but rest assured, if you have opted for single website, it would be single website only with main website and global view. Right now in our demo solution there are several corporate stores, so that's why we are seeing these multiple rows. But store wise or website wise, you can have your own logos, transaction email logo, favicon, welcome message, as well as the robot file. So for example, I want to change it for, let's say, default view or once for all my stores. Once for all my store, let's say in my main website, for single admin, let's say I have 3 websites. So store wise I can change everything. So right now I'm changing at global level. So here first of all start with HTML head. So here you can change your favicon. Here you can change your favicon. You can see 2 MB is allowed size with JPEG, JPG, GIF, PNG, ISO, and APNG. Out of these formats you can upload any one format, and you can upload your favicon icon. Please ensure the size of favicon should be too small, so accordingly you can upload the favicon icon. Then here is the option where the default website level SEO can be inserted. Now we know very well that at product level, CMS page level, at category level, even now at template level and editable artwork level, we are empowered to insert our SEO stuff, means keywords and description. But here at website level, global websites description and keywords can be inserted, as well as whenever any third-party script you are supposed to insert in header part. For example, you are now starting your marketing. So marketing team will give you maybe Google Tag Manager code, Facebook Pixel code, Facebook header code. All those codes can be inserted here only. So scripts and style sheets you can insert over here. Apart from this marketing codes, maybe if required, for header part you want to put some styles and scripts. Maybe for any designing part you want to put additional script, that can be inserted over here. It will be applied for your designing stuff as well. One more thing, we are also seeing this. Here you can see the demo store notice, means this is a demo store and no orders will be fulfilled. So see, this is a demo store only, you can browse products but nothing will be processed. So same message can be enabled here. If I'm disabling it, the demo store notice will be gone, means your site will be live then. So demo store notice can be changed over here. Also header part, here is the logo part. You can see Here you can change your logo. Here you can upload your logo, JPEG, GIF and PNG. So you can upload your logo over here. Resize, you can resize your logo, and this is the height and width stuff. This is in pixel. Accordingly put your size, and this is the welcome message. That message we are seeing here, default welcome message. So store wise you can change it. Once again, single admin you have 3 stores, 4 stores. Welcome message can be changed even based on your language based store. Let's say for Turkish, for English, you can change your welcome message. When we are hovering the logo, see design and buy, that text can be changed over here. Also footer, so here this is HTML language, and hyperlinks means href, as well as demo store means copyright message is placed over here. See, footer miscellaneous HTML. So here I can see design and buy 2019. So copyright message that we are always seeing in footer, that can be changed over here. So design by 2021, that you can change over here. Also we have 2 hyperlinks, privacy policy and terms and condition, that you can change over here. See, privacy policy. So this is nothing but URL key you have to place over here at the place of href, means your SEO URL, and terms and condition. Also you can manage your search engine robot. So obviously means whoever is managing the website, we know very well that ideally robot.txt file should be placed on your server root file, and that can be done from FTP, means any file management tool. You can use that FileZilla and you can put it on root place. But Magento is additionally giving this facility. Maybe if you do not want to, means if you don't want to just log in your server and want to place that file, txt file, simply put the code over here. Simply put the code of robots.txt code over here, and it will be applied for your website. Then sitemap can be connected, and accordingly sitemap and robot will be together working, and accordingly your site will be start crawling in the Google search engine. Then we have product image watermark, means right now let's say you're populating your website. Right now you're populating your website and you do not want to upload the product images. So initially you can apply one single image, and it will be applied for all your products. So that is called watermark images for Magento. And this is nothing but, once again, the features, the provisions we are right now observing are nothing but from default Magento. So Magento is offering this, and it's about default Magento provision. It has nothing to do with our module. So you can upload your watermark images over here. We know very well there are 4 roles: base image, thumbnail image that is visible in cart, base image that is visible on product page, small image when we are means seeing the listing page and product images are visible in small icon, and then swatch image if we are offering swatch for any kind of product. Also ideally Magento sales part is sending all the transitional emails. Yeah, label would be yours. Let's say sales@xyz.com. That would be the label. Or let's say XYZ company sales team. That would be sender. That's fine. But for all the transitional emails, we need our branding, our transitional email logo. So that email, for all your emails that is being placed by default Magento, you can upload your logo over here. So you have to follow this guideline and you can upload your logo over here. So logo image, alter text, image width, height, header template, that is already by default fixed, and template is again fixed. So this is again from default Magento. So header part can be managed like this. We have seen header part, HTML header stuff, footer, search engine robots, watermark and transactional emails. Then we are supposed to see the currency management. Now currency means we know very well that single website doesn't have means single currency. We have seen the cases, let's say website is operating in US, in Europe, as well as in Gulf, let's say. So single website can have multiple currencies allowed, and one currency will be working as a base currency. So all our pricing transactions we will be managing with that one single currency only, but accordingly when we are switching the store, our currencies will be changed accordingly. It will be converting and showing the value on product page, in cart, in invoices, in sales emails, in bills, everywhere, even in backend. So how to manage the currencies? So you can see stores, you can see configuration. So these are some website level configuration. Here you can see under general tab, you can see currency setup. First of all, currency option. So see, base currency. For example, let's take hypothetical example. For example, I am operating in Dubai. So my base currency should be, let's say, AED, but I'm also having euro as a secondary currency, and let's say third currency would be, let's say, INR, as well as, let's say, fourth currency would be, let's say, Singapore dollar. So multiple currencies can be operated at once only. However, please ensure that our base currency should be one currency, and accordingly we have to put the price. When I'm managing my product in backend, I have to insert my price in base currency only, and accordingly on front side, once customer is switching to the various currencies, my price will be changed in that currency only. So you can apply, let's say I am putting Hong Kong dollar as a base currency, which should be default currency when your site is launched or landed or loaded. So you can put that specific currency as a default currency, as well as you have to put all your allowed currency. So hold on control button and you can select multiple currencies at once. Also currency converters are also allowed. Also, when means obviously we know very well that based on market, currency values are getting changed. So we can schedule the import setting, and accordingly your currencies would be updated with the market price. Now how about the currency symbols? This was about product level, invoice level, basic currency, allowing and permissions, but how about currency symbols? So under stores you can see currency symbols and rates. So here right now we have two currencies allowed, USD and Euro. USD is a base currency, that's why I have to put how much it would be in Euro. So I'm putting the conversion of USD in Euro. Which service I am using? Let's say Fixer.io. So here I am putting my conversion, and by default the values are already inserted over here. Whichever currency I am enabling, system will automatically pull and put the symbols. You can see Euro, you can see USD. So this is, once again, please take note that this is from default Magento, and currencies are whichever currencies you are inserting, changing, putting, multiple currencies you are managing, we will be seeing that currency conversion or currency switcher on header part itself. You can see USD or Euro. See language switcher as well. Now we have then tax management. So now tax is again very important part. Why? Because nation to nation the tax structure varies. For example, if we talk about US, the text should be changed and it is applied based on the shipping destination state. Shipping destination state. It is also changed in Europe. We have different structure in India. So how to implement the nation-wise tax rules, tax zone, and how to associate that specific rules and structure with our product so that when somebody is buying something in cart, in checkout, in backend, in our bills and in our invoices, we can see that reflection of our tax. So it would be in stores, you can see taxes. So we have tax rule and we have tax zones and rates. So first of all, what is tax rule? So tax rule, you have to make one rule for your nation. One rule for your nation. So for example, I am making add new tax rule. But before I make a rule for my nation, I have to make tax zones and rates. You can see for California, for New York, I am seeing two lines, 8.25, 8.37. Let's say I'm making new tax rate or a new tax zone along with the rate. Let's say weight 9% is the name. Now I want to put it with zip post and range selected, else fine. Now let's say my tax rule or tax zone and rate is specifically apply for entire nation and there is no such case of zip or postcode. So I can put asterisk because it's a global. Now select the nation, let's say it's Afghanistan. Let's say rate is as a 12%. Simply save it. Once you're done with saving this percent and tax zone and rate, you have to create the tax rule. Let's say Afghanistan tax is 12%. Now you have to select which rate I created. Once I'm done with saving the tax rate, I will be finding the rate over here. Unnecessary stuff I can remove with this bin icon. I can select my tax rule. Let's say Georgia tax. And then click on advanced setting. Remove unnecessary tax classes. Let's say if you have multiple states and state-wise you have different tax structure, you can export the tax sheet, insert your tax rules and import the tax sheet. So it will be downloading the CSV file. Here it is. See how it will be uploaded. Let me show you. So first of all, code, country code in 2-digit, state code, zip wise bifurcation, based on states your tax structure. If zip code post range is applicable, insert it accordingly, and language wise your labels. And that's the CSV file. Choose file, click on import. So new tax rule zone can be created. Now how to associate it with our product? How to associate it with our product? So stores configuration. Under sales tax. Now all kind of settings you can implement over here. For example, in Europe generally we are showing the price inclusive of all the taxes. Inclusive of all the taxes. In India it is different case. In US it differs. So however you want, you can define it over here. Let's say tax calculation method based on total, show price inclusive, excluding of tax. How you want to show it in cart? So price display setting here, inclusive of tax, shopping cart display, excluding, how you want a summary, everything you can depict and describe and means configure over here. So text can be configured and implemented and connected with your website. After text, we have the fourth part. The fourth step is a promotion. Now it's really important part. Why? Because whenever you're having any occasion, festival, or maybe you're launching your new catalog part, maybe for specific event you're having in your organization and you're running some promotion. So promotions ideally are of two kinds. First it is called a cart price rule. Means simply you are promoting and circulating coupon codes. Let's say I'm giving 100 coupon codes for my first 100 customers. On flip side, the second kind of promotion would be catalog price rule. Means customer do not need to play with the coupon code, insert the code and get the promotion. No, I am simply enabling promotion or discount for entire category, for specific products, for entire new products line, anything however I want it. Condition can be personalized and I can have my own condition to implement and to connect with my catalog. So promotion we can find in marketing stuff. In marketing you can see the promotion. First is catalog price rule and second is cart price rule. First of all, cart price rule. So whenever we are buying any product or adding the product into the cart, every time you will be see the option, even it's global for any website. Even if you're buying something from Amazon, if you're ordering food from any food provider company, even in application as well, you will be seeing the option to insert your coupon code. So whenever it is about coupon code, it's about cart price rule. You can see we have one coupon code PAL123. Let me show you how you can create a new coupon code, add new rule. Say this is the cart. You can see apply discount code. Here I can insert my coupon code. Let's say welcome offer 2021. Description, you can insert anything. Active, yes. Now if you have multiple website, multiple stores, you can bifurcate for which website you are creating this promotion, as well as whenever you have the customers, you will be allocating those customers in various customer groups. So let's say I want to run this promotion for my premium customers only, for maybe wholesalers only, for maybe retailers only. So I can accordingly run the promotion. Specific coupon. Now when it's about coupon, there are two options. First, I can have my own coupon code. Let's say welcome July. Or in case, let's say you do not want to create a manual coupon code and you feel that system should create 100 coupons for me. Those 100 coupons I will be sending to my 100 customers through a newsletter. And I will give them the information about my new catalog, new offerings of mine, new services of mine. So you can click here, use auto generation. Click here and come down here in bottom. You can see manage coupon codes. So how many coupons you need? Let's say I want 100 coupons. Length, let's say 8-digit coupon code. Coupon code prefix, let's say W, and end would be, let's say July. And it's alphabetic, numeric, alphanumeric, it's up to us. Simply click on generate. Then once coupons are generated, you can simply export them in CSV file, and you can then share these coupons with your customer anyhow. Right now I am not using auto generation, I'm using this coupon code. Now one coupon should be used, let's say I want this coupon should be used 250 times only, means 250 customers can use it. Use per customer 1. Now how it will be possible? So per customer one use means how we are associating with our customer, obviously with our email. So once customer is signing up with us, his uniqueness is defined by his unique email. So per email, per customer, one use. Now define the time frame. From this date to this date, this promotion would be applicable. Then the most important part of the promotion is the condition. So condition can be anything. For product attribute combination means for custom print and custom product combination, or conditions combination. Maybe for cart attribute, let's say if he's buying minimum 150 and above, so subtotal based, how many quantity he's buying. Let's say if he's buying 10 plus quantity, total weight, let's say the weight is uh, approaching or plus 100 grams or 250 grams. If he is using specific payment method, if he is using specific shipping method, for specific zip code, for region, for state and province, or for specific country, for anything we can create this coupon code. Let's say for subtotal. If subtotal is more than 500, action. So percent of product price discount, let's say I'm offering 25% discount. Or second option, fixed amount discount, not percent, but let's say I'm simply giving 20 USD discount fix. Or third option, let's say fixed amount discount for whole cart. So let's say it's not about only this 500 total, but let's say he's purchased various things, 2 t-shirts, 1 business card package, 1 banner. So for whole cart value, if I want to give discount of let's say 10%, that is also possible. Or finally we have buy X get Y free. So first of all, if he is buying 2 quantities, I am giving him 2 quantity free. So buy X, Y, buy get Y free. Buy 2, get 2 free. So buy X, get Y free, that is also possible. Also max to max quantity is applied to. So let's say max to max you can buy 50 products. Apply to shipping amount, it's up to us. Why? Because generally what happen, you are charging for your product and printing services only, and the shipping part, the shipping charge which customer is paying, actually you are not getting it. It is going to the shipping partner. So if you want to apply this promotion to shipping price as well, you can enable it. Also, if you have similar kind of rules or promotion is applicable, want to discard them, discard it. Free shipping, no, and then simply save it. So this promotion would be, and this coupon code will be available for your 250 customers, and customer can use it once only. So that was about cart price rule. And we have one more thing, that is a catalog price rule. It is not about coupon code. It is simply applying for whole catalog. It can be specific SKUs, category, or products. Let's say again welcome, or let's say garment offer, for example. Active your website, same way customer definition, define time frame. The main part is a condition. The main part here that we are saying is nothing but the condition. Condition combination you can create. Now you can see for specific attribute set, let's say I'm applying it for entire printing product or custom product or photo prints or default products, that I can define it. Or let's say I want it for, let's say, category. So a specific category, for example, I'm just enabling it for, let's say, let's say gift category. And what is the action? Once again, percent, let's say 20% discount, or fixed discount I can give, or adjust final price to this percent. Let's say he, not only for this category, for example, he has purchased something from this category of gift items, but he has purchased from other category as well. So I want to adjust this percent, 25% for overall or whole cart value. And finally, adjust final price to discount value. So I'm giving the fixed discount, or let's say $40. So this is how cart price rule and catalog price rule means the promotion can be applied. Now what you can do is, once the promotion is created, once you have coupon code, even you can create a banner, proper banner, and you can show the banner with your that coupon code. That is also possible. So after promotion we have website translation. Now this is again one important part, and clients are we have always seen clients are struggling with this part. So let's say if we have English store, but we also have Turkish store, or let's say French or Portuguese store, let's say German store or a Norwegian store. So when you have another store with your own language, how to translate the store? So stores and configuration, in advanced you can say developer. Now before you enable it, first of all ensure that for which website you want to translate. So let's say I want to translate my French store. So click here on French. You can see translate inline. Just enable it. Before that, now please take note that whenever inline translation is enabled, you will be seeing the red dotted lines everywhere. And you will be seeing one book icon. Click on the book icon. You can see the word that is available in that specific language and the option to put the word in your own language. So the red dotted lines will be visible everywhere. So maybe when customers even are browsing the website and they are buying something, if they are seeing that red dotted lines, it will be not good. So how to avoid that? So first of all, if I am the admin and I am just translating the website, so I should be the only guy who can see that red dotted line. How to do that? So I will put my IP over here. So let's say I'm putting my IP. So this is my IP address. I will put my IP here and save it and enabling the inline translation. So what will happen? I will switch to French store. And then I will be seeing the red dotted lines for me only. My other customers won't be saying, say, script is now visible. If I am going to home page, I will be able to see the red dotted lines. I need to just flush out cache once, then I will be seeing it. So based on my IP, I will be able to translate the website. So whenever you are enabling inline translation, if the site is not live and nobody is visiting, that's fine. You can simply keep it global and you can translate your website with the inline translation tool. But if the site is live and you think few labels are still pending and you need to translate, you have to accordingly put your IP and you can accordingly translate it. One more thing, even you can translate the website for backend as well. Let's say I want to translate the backend. That is also possible. See, enable for admin, yes, and save it. So even you can translate your admin as well. For example, if you're not seeing this development option over here, if I'm expanding the advanced tool, if I'm not seeing developer option over here, that means your site is now in production mode. Once again, please ensure, please take note that, please be advised, this is default Magento provision. Default Magento provision. If you are not seeing developer option over here, that means your site is now in production mode, not in developer mode. If it is development mode, you will be seeing developer option here. Developer option not visible, that means site is now in production mode. So you have to use your command mode, command, and you have to switch the site again in development mode, and you can translate it again. So this is how the inline translations tool that is from default Magento site can be utilized, and you can convert, you can translate your labels which are not in your regional language and you want them in your own language. So that was about website translation. Now we have one SEO or marketing related option and provision, that is rewrite management, URL rewrite and search management. So search terms how to manage and how to manage URL rewrites. Now we always suggest our client, means whenever they're going live, we are giving them go live checklist, and we frequently suggest please check in your website there must not be a single broken link. If I'm clicking somewhere and it is giving me page not found 404 error, it will be creating bad impression in terms of your customer. How to avoid that? So you can switch to marketing tab. Here you can see URL rewrites. Click here. So first of all, how you will come to know that which are broken links, not links which are not working the way they should work, which are the links are not getting routed to proper specific page and they're giving you the error. So your SEO team will be sharing document with you, and you will then come to know your broken links, how to repair those links first of all. So all your website links are available over here. Just to refresh, you can delete all these URLs and you can recreate all these search engine URLs. For example, let's say this is the link I want to repair. So click here on edit. This link will open now. Now, requested path. Let's say healthcare everyday banner was the link, but right now it is not working. It is not available. So let's say how I want to redirect it, that I can manage from here only. For which website it is, for main website, for French, for English, that I can manage over here. So which kind of rewrite it is? It is temporary 302. Please ensure the 301 is a permanent redirect. 301 is a permanent redirect. So accordingly you have to manage. For example, even you can add new URL rewrite from backend as well. If I come to know that my specific page is not working. For example, for English store, let's say everyday banner dot html. Let's say this link is no longer working for me. I suddenly recall that, oh yeah, I just changed the URL key. So how to repair it? So target path would be, let's say it was, I just made it everyday banner, and let's say dot or let's say new dot html. Redirect type, it should be permanent, for example. So now onwards, this broken URL will be automatically permanently redirected with this URL. So now this is the target path. This was the request path that was broken, but now this is the target path that is now working, and that I am ensuring that it is working. I am checking it and I am putting it. So now one more thing, this was the custom rewrite, but for example, you want to create specific redirect or redirection or rewrite for your category page. So first of all, you will be seeing the category list over here, say, and for whichever category I want to create redirect or rewrites, I can simply click on, let's say for gift. See, so for gift category I can create redirect. Same way for product, I will be see the list of products here. See product list. Same way for CMS page, I will see the list of CMS pages. See. So for anything, whether it's a CMS page, whether it's a product page, category page, or a custom URL that I suddenly come across and which seems broken, I can create a rewrite to ensure that none of my URLs links are broken before I am making my site live. So after you redirect and rewrite, we have one more thing to see, and that is search terms. Every website on the front side, you can see the bottom part. One second, let me switch it to the English. One moment. In bottom, in our turnkey solution, most of our website, you will be seeing the term or the link that is search terms. Here it is, you can see. This will include, or this will show all the systems customer has used so far in the history. You can see all these search terms are used so far. Out of these terms, it can be possible most of the terms are junk terms. So you can manage these terms in backend. How to do that? Once again, in marketing, you can see search terms. Quick, polo, woman. So you can edit any search term. Quick, number of results, how many results it is showing, how many times it was used, when somebody is clicking. For example, if I am searching man, which is the rewrite or redirection of this page? So this is the link, see, and I'm showing one result. So redirect URL, display suggested terms, yes, because when we are searching, it is showing some suggestion, right? So this is how existing search query or search term can be managed. You can delete it as well. Going back, you can select multiple terms, you can delete them. If you feel that most of them are junk and I want to make it with fresh start, you can delete them. Manually, you can add new search term, that is also possible. Let's say Gildan shirts, or only Gildan store. Let's say main English store. Redirect, I can put the URL, display suggested terms, yes. So why search terms are important? Because see, obviously catalog is there, categories are there, customer can simply browse through categories, but customers are frequently used to search terms, search products with search terms only. For example, I am looking for somebody who is offering me custom product or custom business card. What I will search? Business cards or business or cards. So with these terms, I will be coming to that specific product page or category page or listing page. So that's why even for your SEO result, search terms are also important. So proper, sharp search terms can help your product, help your customer, help your marketing. Then we have reviews. Obviously, customer will be showing and putting the reviews on product page. If reviews are allowed from your backend setting, if you're not offering reviews, customer will not be able to put the reviews. See, nickname, my summary, and my review. I can put the star, 3, 4 star, or 5 star. So reviews I can post, and obviously customer can put anything. So before we show the reviews on front side, we have to filter, we have to approve them. So how to manage reviews? So under marketing, we have user content, so we have reviews, and we have pending reviews. So these reviews are already approved, you can see, and pending reviews we do not have. Let's say I'm showing any review. So product, we can see author who was guest customer, or if he's a sign up customer, it will be showing the name, detailed rating, price, status approved or pending or not approved, website, nickname, and the text he typed, the review he inserted, it is visible over here. If I don't find it suitable, I can delete, or I can edit few words, or I can simply delete it. If I want to add new review, I can also add the new review. So review we can add from backend as well. If I want to put good reviews, 10 good reviews for my customer, that is also possible. For example, let's say I want to put review for, let's say, my Gildan t-shirt. Status approved for main website, or let's say for all the stores. Nickname, let's say Andy. Summary of review, excellent. I can put my review. I can save it. So on front side, review will be available. Now reviews won't be available directly on product page. Reviews will be under pending review status and stage. You have to open the review. You have to change, you have to edit, you have to approve it, and once it is approved, it will be available for your product on front side. Right now reviews are not available, it will be visible over here. So be the first to review this item, because reviews are not available for this product. So reviews can be also inserted, can be managed, can be edited, can be deleted. And after reviews, we have few important links. So we have seen all the required information, required steps. We have went through all the important steps and procedure to make your site live. We have seen some basic configuration. We have managed currencies. We have seen how to manage tax zones, rates, and how to manage the text, how to manage with the basic website global configuration, how to manage promotions, how to manage translation, and how to manage URL rewrites and search. Finally, we have seen the review part.